In industrial electrical systems, reliability begins where the cable enters. That's where ATCAB cable glands come in, built to secure and protect every entry point with precision. Simple in function, but critical in purpose, they hold the cable firmly as it enters a panel, machine, or enclosure. They provide grip, reduce strain, and help create a dependable seal against dust, moisture, and external exposure. Every gland is built with a strong body, sealing element, and compression components for a secure, stable connection. The ATCAB range includes A2, BW, CW, and E1W types, designed to suit different cable and installation needs. For more demanding environments, the range also extends to IP54 and IP68 options, including weatherproof, flame-proof, and marine-ready solutions. And with brass accessories like adapters, reducers, lock nuts, earth tags, seals, and shrouds, the solution is complete. Available in multiple sizes and configurations, ATCAB cable glands are built for use across panels, machinery, and industrial systems. When selected and installed correctly, they deliver stronger sealing, better protection, and long-term reliability. ATCAB cable glands and brass accessories are engineered for industrial performance, where every connection matters.